In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Steam cannot purchase game. To quickly fix Steam purchase issue, the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Steam store. And then inside of your Steam store, what you want to do is simply go ahead and head into the settings. If you don't find the settings, you can simply click on Steam, click on settings, and this is the page you want to be looking for. Now, inside of the settings, what you want to do is head into the downloads tab. And inside of the downloads, you want to simply go ahead and scroll all the way down, and until you find the download cache, you can simply go ahead and scroll and click on clear download cache right over here. Once you've done that, simply confirm it, which is gonna simply go ahead and reload your Steam application. Once you do that, it should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if the desktop app isn't working, try buying the game via the Steam store. If the website fails, try the mobile app. That is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.